Hello viewer, use the paint around it, then make another shape. Use the paints again. I will take it. It's a pen tool shapes to add and explore the different features. Radical there, create the angles. I will explore and find the new options. There we will generate the design. Add a paint. It's an eraser tool to make it different. Thank you for watching.